I've been thinking about how crucial it is to create an inclusive classroom atmosphere, especially in language teaching. It's like building a welcoming home for diverse learners where everyone feels respected and valued. Fostering this environment not only enhances learning, but also teaches essential life skills about diversity and respect. One great way to promote inclusiveness is through cultural exchange activities. You could incorporate stories or artifacts from different cultures into your lessons. These activities help students appreciate and celebrate differences, fostering a sense of global citizenship. Collaborative group work is another fantastic tool. Mix students of different backgrounds and abilities to work on projects or language exercises. This not only promotes teamwork, but also encourages students to understand and respect each other's perspectives. Initiating open discussions about diversity, respect, and inclusivity can be really enlightening. You could use stories, current events, or even personal experiences to spark these conversations. Using inclusive language and materials in your classes is vital. Ensure that the content reflects a variety of cultures, identities, and experiences. Lastly, empathy building exercises can work wonders. Activities where students step into each other's shoes, maybe through role play or storytelling, help build understanding and compassion. Creating an inclusive classroom is all about embracing and celebrating diversity. I'm curious, have you tried any specific activities to promote inclusiveness in your classes? How do you ensure every student feels a sense of belonging? Let me know in the comments. Happy comprehensible input!